Possible ba na makapag-retire sa Pilipinas by investing in Bitcoin? In this video, I will share how I plan to retire in the Philippines by investing in Bitcoin. A little bit of background about me. I'm 30 years old working as an accountant here in the Philippines. Nag-start ako mag-work noong 2017 and ever since nag-start ako mag-work, I really hate it. Pati nung nag-aaral pa lang ako, ayaw ko talaga mag-aaral. Every time na nasa office ako, lagi ko na-feel na I don't belong here. Sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na ayaw ko magtrabaho forever. Nakakatawa nga kasi kakastart ko pala magtrabaho pero gusto ko na kaagad mag-retire. Kaya nung nag-start ako mag-work, naging coping mechanism ko sa work yung idea ng financial independence, retire early, or mas kilala sa tawag na FIRE movement. The goal of FIRE is to retire early using your salary. Para makapag-retire ng maaga based sa FIRE movement, there are 2 steps. First, save as much as you can. And number 2, invest that savings. I invested in PSEI index funds starting from 2018 up to 2022. I chose PSEI index funds noon because at that time, hindi pa gano'ng ka-accessible and affordable yung mga S&P 500 funds sa Philippines. The way na makapag-invest ka nun sa S&P 500 index funds is to invest in feeder funds offered by banks like BDO, BPI, Security Bank. Kaso lang mataas yung minimum na requirement nila. Sa pagkakatanda ko nun, nasa 50,000 pesos. Pero yung sahod ko nun, nung nag-start ako mag-work in 2018 is 18K lang. Unlike today, meron na mga platforms like GoTrade, where you can invest sa mga S&P 500 index funds as low as maybe 1,000. And if I'm not mistaken, alam ko sa Call Financial din, meron na rin affordable options to invest in S&P 500 index funds. Pero nung panahon na yun, in 2018, wala pang options na affordable. So I was stuck on investing in PSEI index funds. And here are the returns of the PSEI index funds from 2018 to 2022. Unfortunately, wala na ako ng gana mag-save and invest dahil hindi lumago or nag-earn ng returns yung aking investment sa PSEI funds. So my investment did not perform well, so wala na ako ng gana sa FIRE. At the same time, around 2022, I discovered Bitcoin as an investment. I watched every podcast about Bitcoin, I read many books about Bitcoin, and up to this day, I still spend time to learn about Bitcoin. I made a short video why Bitcoin is the best investment for a Filipino, and I will put the link down below. So in 2022, binenta ko lahat ng investment ko sa PSEI index funds at a slight gain, then I invested all of it into Bitcoin. Ever since 2022, I continue on to put my savings and investment into Bitcoin. I wrote about that in my Substack, which I will also link down below. So here is a visualization of my returns by investing in Bitcoin. Yung black line is the amount of pesos I invested. Yung green line naman is yung market value ng aking investment. And just a disclaimer lang, yung green line consists of my investment in Bitcoin plus yung aking investment in my Interactive Brokers portfolio. And for transparency, here's a screenshot of my IBKR portfolio. The blue line is the return of my portfolio, while yung green line naman is yung return ng S&P 500. Yung S&P 500 yung kinukonsider kong benchmark na kailangan i-beat. I started this portfolio in January 2023. My IBKR portfolio is halos 90% Bitcoin equities. So, hindi siya mismong Bitcoin pero karamihan is invested sa mga Bitcoin equities or proxies. I will soon make also a video about my IBKR portfolio. So, if you are interested na makita yon, please like and subscribe so you will be notified once nagawa ko na yung video na yun. I just really want to share how Bitcoin can help you with your investment goals. Sa bottom nito, here is my return since January 2023. My portfolio return 195%, while yung S&P 500 naman is around 55%. Sabi ni Michael Saylor, Bitcoin is on a need-to-know basis. Ibig sabihin nun, mag-i-invest at bibili ka ng Bitcoin once maintindihan mo na kailangan mo siya. And I could not agree more kasi ako bilang empleyado na nangangarap makapag-retire na maaga, naghanap ako ng investment na makakatulong sa pangarap ko na yun at nakita ko yun sa Bitcoin. I believe that Bitcoin will be my best choice kung gusto ko talaga makapag-retire na maaga. And follow me along that journey by subscribing to this channel. And peace and talk soon.